Hi, welcome to my channel Creative IT Hacks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. In this video, we'll learn how to make a resume or CV quickly and easily using Microsoft Word. Your resume is like your professional introduction to potential employers, so let's make it great. Go to Page Layout, set page size A4. Go to Insert tab, and add a rectangle shape, then adjust it. Microsoft Word is easy to use, even if you're not a computer expert. Remove outline of the shape, and choose color. I choose light pink. After this, add your picture using Picture tool and adjust it. Make sure your photo is not a selfie because your photo reflects who you are. After adjusting, border your picture for more prominent and give it a color relate to your picture background. Draw a text box. Remove its outline and shape color. Write your name. Adjust line spacing, and remove extra space from last. Set font size to 22 and adjust alignment to center. Bold your text and change font style. I choose Comic Sans. Copy and paste your text box using Ctrl+C, then paste Ctrl+V. Write your field or profession. Adjust font size to 16. Change font color and adjust it. Write contact and choose more prominent font color. Increase font size to 18 and adjust it. Copy your profession text box and write your contact number, Gmail, and address. MS Word helps your resume look professional. You can make headings big and bold. Copy your text box of repeating this process. Write about and tell people about yourself, your experience and goals in a short summary. Change alignment to justify and change font color. Your one side is ready. On the other side, write career highlights. A well-made resume helps you get noticed and increases your chances of landing a great job. In career highlights, write about what's your goals and your work. Use bullet points to make it clear. This shows what you've done and what you can offer. Write education, and in this write about your qualification, bold your university, college or school name. Share your education history. Mention where you studied, what degree you have, and any special achievements. This shows you're qualified for the job. Write experience. In this box, tell people about your job experience. List your work experiences. Include job titles, where you worked, and what you did. Set font size to 10 and adjust your all text boxes. Don't manipulate with heading. Write professional skills. Now, tell them about your skills. What are you good at? This could be languages, computer skills, or anything relevant to the job. Skills make you stand out. In this write your professional skills. At last write awards. You also write certification instead of awards. If you have any award and certificate of institute, then write here. It makes your resume easy to read. You can design it the way you want. Change colors, fonts, and styles to match your personality and the job you are applying for. If you learn something new or get a new skill, you can add it easily. Good luck. You can change and update your resume anytime. If you learn something new or get a new skill, you can add it easily. Thanks for watching. If you are new on my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update.